Okay, here in Pismo, can't get anybody who knows anything about politics over here, but I do have a friend. Got a question for you. Do you like Mitt Romney? Huh? Do you like Mitt Romney? Okay, do you like Obama? Okay. Do you think that Fox News is good? Huh? Is Fox News good? Fox News is good? Okay, do you think MSNBC is bad? Bad? No. Are you sure? Is MSNBC good? No? Okay, so you think MSNBC is bad, right? Huh? Okay, do you think MSNBC should tell the truth? Okay, so are you voting for Mitt Romney? Good boy. Thank you.